this is what it looks like right now, and this is not the look that I want. So to change that, we actually need to use our phone. So grab your phone and load up Fitbit app. Once the app is up, tap on this icon right here, the one that shows the percentage. And over here, I see that my Fitbit is right here. So tap that. Once we are on this page, tap Gallery. And then over here, I see the option to customize clock face. You can tap on clocks and look for different clocks face to download. I already have the one I want, so I'm going to go ahead and come back here. Then I'm going to select the I want, which is the pink one. And then tap Select. I felt a vibration over here. Voila! Now the clock face has changed. I don't know why it's still doing this loading thing, but it's done, so I'm going to go ahead and exit out. Hope this helps. Bye!